Hi, I will show you today the test I made of a Chinese LCD 3D printer, modification I've made to have a good build plate adhesion, and the resin I used. It's a resin from AmeraLabs. It's a fast curing resin. I use this kind of resin because the printer is not very powerful in terms of lead array. So I can achieve good results with this resin with about 30 seconds per layer. So we will see just now the results. So let's see the results. So I have a perfect adhesion. So after this post-processing phase for final curing with a high power lead of 4 or 5 nanometers, I can show you the results that are very good. This part has been designed for the drone I'm making. So before making my own LCD 3D printer with 15 inches LCD, I wanted to test a Chinese LCD 3D printer with a large build plate, about 20 centimeters on 15. So I can have very good results, and with this fast curing resin, the printing time is acceptable. So let's see for another video.